How the Titans Were Born, the Truth Behind the Mythology. Intro, the hook. Before the gods, before Olympus itself, there were them. Beings so powerful, even Zeus feared their return. Creatures born from chaos, who shaped the universe and were betrayed by their own blood. This is the true story of the Titans. And what you're about to discover will forever change what you thought you knew about mythology. Get ready, because today we go back to the beginning of everything, to uncover the forgotten truth of how the world was born from darkness and how the Titans were erased from history by the gods themselves. In the beginning, there was nothing. No sky, no ocean, no light. Only chaos, an endless silent void where even time had no meaning. And from that void emerged the first primordial forces. Gaia, the earth, Tartarus, the endless abyss, and Eros, the spark of creation, the desire that drives all existence. These weren't gods, they were living concepts, the building blocks of reality. They didn't rule, they simply were. And from Gaia, the Mother Earth, came the first children, the Titans, the beings who would forge the destiny of all creation. Gaia, longing for balance, gave form to the sky, Uranus, the starry heaven. She loved him deeply, and together they brought forth a new race, 12 colossal beings, each embodying a force of nature. The 6 brothers, Oceanus, Creus, Hyperion, Iapetus, Cois, and Cronus. And the 6 sisters, Thea, Rhea, Themis, Mnemosyne, Thebe, and Tethys. They were the framework of existence, the oceans, the sun, the laws, the memory, the time itself. United, they formed the structure of the cosmos. But harmony never lasts, because Uranus, the sky, began to fear his own children. Uranus looked upon the Titans with terror. Fearing their growing power, he imprisoned them deep within Gaia, forcing the Mother Earth to carry the weight of her own children in agony. Gaia's pain shook the universe, and from her anguish she conceived a plan for revenge. She called upon her children to rise against their father, but only one answered, Cronus, the youngest, the most ambitious, and the most ruthless. With a sickle Forged from the bones of the earth, Cronus ambushed Uranus. And when the sky descended to embrace the earth for one last time, Cronus struck. The blood of Uranus fell upon the world, and from it were born monstrous beings, the giants, the Furies, and the very essence of vengeance. With Uranus defeated, Cronus freed his siblings and claimed the throne of the universe. Thus began the Golden Age, the age of the Titans. Cronus and his sister wife Rhea ruled the cosmos. Nature was in perfect harmony. The rivers flowed, the sun shone, the earth prospered. It was paradise. But every paradise hides a shadow. A prophecy warned, one day Cronus will be overthrown by his own child. And the seed of fear began to grow within the Lord of Time. When Rhea began to give birth, Cronus remembered the prophecy, and fear turned into madness. One by one, as each child was born, Cronus swallowed them whole. Hestia, Demeter, Hera, Hades, Poseidon, all devoured by their father. Rhea wept in secret until the day she decided to deceive him. When her sixth child was born, she hid him and handed Cronus a stone wrapped in swaddling cloth. Cronus, blind with paranoia, devoured the stone, believing he had consumed his last threat. Meanwhile, the real child, Zeus, was hidden in a cave on the island of Crete, where he would grow in silence, waiting. Years passed. Zeus grew strong, clever, and filled with wrath. When the time came, he returned to challenge his father. With the help of Metis, the goddess of wisdom, Zeus tricked Cronus into drinking a magical potion. One by one, Cronus vomited up the children he had swallowed, now fully grown gods. The new generation of deities had been reborn. And so began a war that would shake the heavens for 10 long years, the Titanomachy. On one side, the mighty Titans. On the other, the new gods, the Olympians. The mountains shattered, the seas boiled, fire and darkness clashed in a storm of destruction. But Zeus had something the Titans did not: allies. The Cyclops, freed from Tartarus, forged weapons for the gods. The thunderbolt for Zeus, the trident for Poseidon, and the helmet of invisibility for Hades. Armed with these powers, the Olympians turned the tide. One by one, the Titans fell, and Zeus cast his father and his kin into the deepest abyss, sealed forever in the depths of Tartarus.